made it! Oh! So Monday was a holiday, so Calypso and I went out and explored this little area that's really close by our campus, and there's like a little beach area. There's a little hut. Oh, there's someone here. After the beach, I went directly to my musical theater practice that I had with my group, and this is our little dance number that we were practicing all evening. On Tuesday was presentation day. Here's some clips of other groups' presentations. There's one called Bubble Tea Squad. And ours was actually the most popular one. And so there was this booth of this man making dragon's beard candy, which is like the Chinese version of cotton candy. Thursday was a study abroad fair for the HKUST students, and I was manning the Northeastern booth.
I'm at the study abroad fair. This is my booth. I have my favorite Northeastern sweatshirt and my favorite sweater.
Side note, I have only eaten cereal today and a banana. That's it. My hall had put on a boat party that sailed out of Saigon, and here are just some little shenanigans that we got down to. I met a couple of other exchange students and more kids that lived in my hall.
And then 7 is heaven.
I don't know how far I should let it drop, because I don't know in meters.
Like a hiker. And Saturday and Sunday, I went to my very first tournament in Hong Kong called the Hong Kong Pan Asia Tournament. Saturday night, there was an after party at the bar called Terrible Baby at the Eaton Hotel. And it was pretty cool. The hotel had some llamas, so we took some pictures. Saturday night there had been a thunderstorm, and so the fields were flooded, and so these boys were just being stupid and trying to push each other into the mud and daring each other to drink the rainwater.
Very muddy tournament.
And got some peach cheese tea after the tournament to reward ourselves. Okay, so I'm outside. It's windy. It's raining a little bit. My roommate's inside studying because it's midterm season, and it's also definitely Tuesday, and I usually try to upload the vlog by Sunday, so whoops. But I've been busy and tired. I've been studying midterm season, and yeah, definitely tired. This weekend has been full, like crazy, starting with the boat party and then just a full-on tournament that was so much fun, lots of hard work. It was super muddy Sunday. We ended up placing 5th out of like 14 teams. We could have placed 4th or top 4, but you know, didn't have as much practice, as well as we're still learning how to play with each other. So I hope to continue to grow with this team. I felt like I did grow a lot and learned a lot and learned how to play with my teammates, and I really enjoyed playing and felt like I found my community within the Ultimate program here, learned a lot, and so I'm ready to continue playing some more. That's it for this week. It's a little bit short on clips, but I felt like there was a lot. I also have a lot of studying to do. I feel like I'm going to be studying for the next 3 weeks because my midterms don't end until the end of October. And so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.